Hey Pixel, I want to go to the playground of code where all the blocks can talk.
That sounds amazing! The code playground where blocks come to life?
Exactly! I want to create something really cool there. I'll see you later, Pixel! Whoa, look at all these colorful blocks floating around. This place is incredible! Welcome to our playground. I'm a variable block. We heard you wanted to create something fun. You can really talk. This is amazing. I was thinking, could we build a rocket launching animation together? Perfect. But first, let me introduce my friends. I'm Mecha Variable called Spade. Think of me as creating a magical box with a label on it. This box will hold numbers that tell us how fast our rocket is moving. And I'm Mecha Variable called Acceleration. I create another special box that holds the number for how much faster our rocket gets each moment. So you're like storage containers for numbers? Exactly!
Now that we have our memory boxes ready, it's my turn. I'm the when green flag clicked block. Think of me as the director shouting action on a movie set.
Hold on, everyone. Before we start the physics magic, I need to do something important. I'm go to X, 9 is 15, Y, 9 is 118. I'm like the stage manager who makes sure our rocket starts at exactly the right spot every time.
Number duct. Why is that important?
Great question. Imagine if our rocket started in a different place each time, sometimes in the middle of the screen, sometimes at the top. The launch wouldn't look consistent. I make sure every show starts perfectly. Place me right below. Appears with a flourish.
And I'm the show block. I'm like turning on the spotlight. I make sure our rocket is visible and ready for its big performance. Without me, you might have an invisible rocket launch. Place me right below.
Which block makes a sprite zap right to a spot on the stage? Like magic. Any guesses?
Now I come in. I'm set speed to 1, but I'm not just setting any speed. I'm putting the number 1 into that special speed box our variable friend created. Think of me as filling up the speedometer. Drag me in. And I'm set acceleration to 0.2. I put the number 0.2 into the acceleration box. I'm like setting the rocket's boost power and storing it safely in memory. Add me.
Now comes my time to shine. I'm the forever block. I'm like an energetic friend who never gets tired. I keep doing the same things over and over again, non-stop.
What are you going to do forever?
I'm going to run a whole team of blocks inside me.
Okay, then we can add forever block also.
I'm change speed by acceleration. I'm like a math wizard. I look inside the acceleration box, grab that number, and add it to whatever's in the speed box. This makes the rocket speed up naturally using our stored values. Inside the loop, add me.
And I'm change Y by speed. I peek inside the speed box, grab that number, and move the rocket up by exactly that amount. Fast number in the box means big jumps. Slow number means little steps.
I'm an if-then block. I'm like a wise traffic cop who watches over everything. I check, is the speed greater than 10?
And I help with that check. I'm the speed cross 10 condition. I'm like a speedometer that's always watching and reporting. Too fast or just right.
Why do you need to check the speed?
Because rockets can't go infinitely fast. In real life, there are limits. When the rocket gets too speedy, I step in and say, slow down there, buddy.
That's where I come in. I'm set acceleration to 0.2, but I'm the speed limiter version. When things get too crazy fast, I reset the acceleration to keep everything under control.
I'm another if-then block. I'm the safety monitor. I watch to make sure our rocket doesn't fly off into space forever.
I'm touching edge. I'm like a boundary guard. I constantly check. Has the rocket reached the edge of our screen? If it has, I sound the alarm.
What happens when it touches the edge?
That's my cue. I'm the hide block. When the rocket completes its journey and reaches the edge, I make it disappear gracefully, like a magic trick.
Poof! Mission complete. This playground is now the coolest ever. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Supercoder Kid. Keep coding, Supercoders!